My dad started the cabinet business in 1981, and we were doing residential. I was 5, 6 years old with my dad out there with a little palm sander sanding raised panel doors. Worked my way up and knew I didn't want to have to do that the rest of my life, so I was like, what can I do differently? Downtown Texarkana has kind of been a little bit abandoned like a lot of old downtowns are, and so the city was very cooperative with us. They were like, whatever you want to do, just do it. Well, they issued a permit and we didn't have any plan, just started building what we wanted to. They've really been impressed with it, just from our display racks to our lighting. We just tried to do everything outside the box. We wanted to make it different and still fit into the downtown theme. So we tried to keep a lot of the traditional window displays and almost an elegant art-like experience. Altogether, we have about 34 employees. We've got 6 full-time employees here, 2 installers, and then sometimes we do outsource our installs sometimes when we get too much of a backlog. We wanted to provide something different to the customers in our area, not only in the experience that we sell, but also exemplary customer service. Last week, we had our best week, and we did 1,000 square feet. It was awesome.
I just started liking Park, and then I moved to another shop, this shop here. We bought a Park Yukon too. I mean, that was just like unreal. I mean, the performance of that machine, the ability of that machine, the reliability of that machine was top notch. So I was pretty much sold on Park right then when I seen the brand new Yukon and what Park can do. The rest is history. I mean, Park's just in my blood.
Great decision. Nothing bad to say about Park.
In my opinion, the performance is unmatched, the reliability is unmatched, and the customer service. I've never been let down by you guys. Obviously, these things are machines and they have moving parts, so they're gonna break down at some point in time. Something's gonna break. I get on the phone with y'all and Park stays on the phone until I'm either 1, satisfied or 2, fixed. They answer all my questions. They teach me anything I ask for them to teach me. And they've basically been my lifeline along with trial and error. And
they're really responsive even through social media when there's a problem. I've noticed that just following them on Instagram and Facebook.
Everything from social media, phone calls, emails, anything, it's just top notch. Just 100% top notch. All of those things right there, and plus they're just beautiful machines. I would have to say the SaberJet.
Definitely the SaberJet.
Obviously because of its abilities, it has changed our game immensely. My favorite thing about the SaberJet, other than making the shop dustless immediately, is how tight you can nest and how the water jet disconnects all the little cuts for you so you don't have any overcuts cutting into anything else. And that creates almost unmatched run times. SaberJet's pretty top of the line. I love everything about the Fastback because you put a piece of stone in one end and it prints a piece of money on the other side. The Fastback is just great because it's a workhorse. It does the work that people do not want to do, and it handles it. It doesn't complain. It's quality. It's a simple machine, very user-friendly. Every shop should have a Fastback. Recently, we just did 1,200 linear feet in 7 hours. Phew, done. No human could ever match that. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Park is 100% quality through and through, period. End of story. I don't care what anybody says, you know, so.